Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome to this another fantastic video tutorial on this channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can auto mention something, auto post bot. And if you were to post something on the internet which was you want to automate thing, because many people want to send mention, you want to post down content or anything, and you want to mention some users frequently, you want to post, so you need a bot. So that's for this purpose I develop a mini Python script and an application. In this I'm gonna share you some basic structure. So here is the message. I have a message because I want to post a simple message to many times on my X profile, and I want to, here are the users, and I want to mention this user randomly when I post something on the X. So it was a very useful, very fantastic tutorial. And here is the JSON source file. It contains the basic settings, how many posts I want to post, how many tweets, number of users to mention. There are some bugs, I can fix it when I will give to my clients when they test on their side, their PC. So, and here is an application. So I'm gonna start this, and before this, to start this application you need to log into your X account, and it was a must needed because this is not a API based solution. Because if you're running things through the APIs, then you can understand. Otherwise you have to manage things to yourself. So this is a robotic process automation. It's an automation, it's not an API. So let me get straight to the point. Let me start this whole stuff. So first I'm gonna run this application directly, and I simply press on this play button and bot start, and I open X and I leave the mouse cursor. So as you can see, start composing the tweet, and it auto mentions some users. Here is it. Now it was too fantastic, and it select the image from file opener, and it works only on your Windows operating system. It is not for the Mac, for the Linux. So you have on Windows, you want to run this. And here is it. It post the thing. So this tweet was posted, and then it post another tweet because I set something. I want to post 3 tweets. So this process repeats. You can post many tweets, but remember one thing, you have to keep aware of these things. If you post frequently, many times, that your account may be suspended or permanently locked by X. So you have, this application was so good for sending the crypto updates, Telegram messaging. If you wanna target large number of people, large number of audience, so this tool was quietly helpful for you. And yes, it's post the final thing, final tweet, third in a row. So you don't need to hire any person or any sort of thing. It's running again. Check this out. It's selecting. After this whole automation process, and I will show you why it's selecting image on any why it's choose image on each post, because I set down the flag to yes, and it was a JSON file. There's some sort of error. So here is it. These 3 tweets are posted, and as you can see, on each post there because I have a very few number of user in the user.txt file, and it mentioned many users on the same print. So I delete these whole stuff. Later on I can do it. Now here is it, the user.txt file, and here is the params.json file. In this, as you can see, want to upload image, and you simply yes. You wanna post something that you wanna, there is a yes or there is a no. So the default setting was yes. It simply post the image on each entry, and it select the image from this folder. The folder was image folder, and it must be located, it must be present onto your desktop. So here is the whole thing. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So my job, if you need this script, you need this application, you need to approach me through my Upwork profile. And this is my platform for international client. And here is it, my profile. I got good reviews, I got good I don't say you hire me. I recently got a 5-star review. My job's completed. So I got various, this is my Upwork profile, plus 26 project was uploaded into my portfolio section. So I hope, there is no GitHub repository, it's a paid one. So I hope you like. So thanks for watching. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.